time to get this thing out of here. So the plan is he's putting it up for sale. He's getting rid of it. So all we're going to do is we're going to do the body work, get it in high solids, and that's as far as we're going to go with it. So once it's primed, I'm just going to do a heavy coat of dark blue base. Basically just a really heavy guide coat that protects the primer because it's not getting painted right away. And then it's getting put back together, make it look like a car. And that way it's running, driving, and then that's it. He's getting rid of it. So this video is going to be quick because none of this is exciting at all. I'm just going to do a quick little sideshow so you guys can see what this thing looks like finished. So let's get at it, get her done. So that's high solids primer and a couple coats of base coat, kind of seal it all in. And for the record, this is not the color we picked. The paint store is screwed up. But the client, he thinks it's great, and more importantly, the guy who may be buying this thing, he loves it. So I was like, are you sure? Because now's the time to respray it. Scotch-Brite and away we go. But he's like, no, put it together. We love it. So the next step, put it together. So it looks better now that it's unmasked. Doesn't look quite so bad. Anyway, got it all ready to go. Start putting it back together. Plan is just start at the front, work my way to the back. Got the box of Mustang. I'm going to pull those wheels off, see if I can clean them up. Not that they need it. It's the plan. Got my benches set up. Got one for parts, and then a little bit of a wash rack right there. So let's get at it. So I went to put the trim piece back on the hood, and there's no fasteners. I don't know what he did with them, but they ain't in the car. So I got these, but problem is studs are too short. So I gotta figure that out. And then the marker lights, he broke the stud off. Thanks for telling me. And it looks like the last guy did the same thing. So yeah, I get to figure that out too. It's a good thing his buddy's not coming around all the time asking, is it done yet? Is it done yet? Is it done yet? How about now? Because, yeah, that would be really annoying if he was doing that. Carry on. So, next project, front bumper. We gotta get that straightened out. Shouldn't be too hard. Well, that's better. Not perfect, but a lot better than it was. Clean it up, bolt it on. So there we go. It's all studly again. Yeah, this is why it costs so much to fix an old car. It's all this little stuff. It's just never ending on this one. That was way more of a hassle than it should have been, but it's coming along. So now it's jack up the back end, put all that back together, and yeah, almost. So we just had our daily when's it going to be done meeting. Dude, seriously, I get it. Trust me, nobody wants this thing done more than me. It sucks having to close the business down, but this crap, yeah, I'm not going to miss this at all. Should probably get back to work, because apparently the world's going to end if I don't have this thing done by the weekend. So, yeehaw. So it's getting there. Getting the back bumper cleaned up, getting it ready to put back on. Found something kind of interesting. Still got the sticker on it. Yeah, that's unusual for the stuff I get to work on. Anyway, back at her. So working on the insides now. Slowly getting everything put back together and just cleaning up as I go. Gave all the trim a good scrub, and turns out it actually is a white interior. Yeah, it turned out really nice. These door panels have definitely seen better days. The vinyl shrunk, which curled this edge back. You can see where it was rubbing against the dash. All these holes are torn. It's split. It's all warped. Yeah. I'll do what I can, but yeah, these things are rough. So, time to put the seats in. And you're not going to believe this, but there's a problem. Passenger side, it's all good. Got the tabs at the back, tabs at the front. Well, on the driver's seat, that's bent. It's supposed to be like that. That one's missing. That one's missing. Yeah. 1 out of 4. Back to the welder. So we're digging deep into my private stash now. So I got these old seats that have been here forever. I think what we'll do, I'm going to pull this track off. We'll just cut the tabs off, drill the holes out, weld them on. That should work. So it looks like it might work. Like this one, this will be the one we bend down. And that one, we'll just cut it off there. But Ford, GM. Wonder why it broke. Not gonna say it. So I think I got it figured out. That piece will be for there. Just do like that. Give a little extra surface area for weld. Make it a little stronger. It'll fit right like that. Then back here, we got this one. Just gonna trim it off. But same thing. We'll just go like that. Weld her up. Should work. So I got our pieces tacked together. I just bolted it in the car so it actually fits. So looks like it's gonna work. So Ford meets Chevy. Well, Pontiac actually. Yeah, seats are out of an old Firebird. So there we go. Seat tracks done. Got them oiled up. I'm gonna hose a little black paint on them, pretty them up, and stick them in. It's all done, finally. They're coming to get it at 3 o'clock. Thank God. That looks pretty good. The interior turned out nice. Yeah, glad I took the time giving everything a scrub. Looks really good. Door panel's cleaned up really nice. I like it. So now that it's all back together and sitting outside, the color doesn't look too bad. Looks good with the white. Yeah, it's a nice looking car. Too bad we couldn't finish it. Would have been nice to put a nice paint job on this thing. We're going to go dark blue with heavy metallic and heavy pearl, which would have looked really good on this thing, but not meant to be. So that's it for this one. That's it for working on other people's stuff too. Yeah, or first time in a long time I got nothing lined up for this winter. I've advertised, I've reached out to the car clubs, and nothing. So that's it. Gotta go do something else now. I'm not sure what, but figure something out.